It didn't do anything. Oh, put a hole.
Why?
They put a hole in it.
Like they're shooting out everywhere again. There we go. Are you done taping? No, it's recording. Oh, I got another one actually. Are you trying to... How'd you do it? Are you sure? Huh? Was the taping pretty good? Hey, what one do you got? What one do you got? Huh? Hey, don't break it. Just do it. And then just take that thing off, that thing you unscrew it all the way, and then toss it up forward and then drop it in there. So just keep the thing up. Woo! Twist it all the way off. Don't worry, it won't all come out. Now, push it forward after you get it out. All the way off? Yep, all the way off. It won't do anything. Push it forward. Oh, you just totally toasted that lighter.
Oh, dude, it's melting. Turn the blender on now.
I wonder if it even works.
Probably not.
I do.
You?
Yeah, not made with that.
This is the best we can do.
Oh, look at the dude! Hey, Sean.
My mom don't have a blender anymore.
Is there fire in there?
I think so.
Let's see it.
See? Is it?
Keep holding it.
Fucking crap!
Let's see it.
For
Look at the hole down there, dude.
No,
the fire's right there.
Right there. Right on top of it. There's a red one.
Do you have any more lighters?
Here's one.
I don't have any left. 38 lighters all gone.
What you can do with fun.
Is that one good right there? No, it don't look like it. I can't tell.
No, is it?
Do you hear how cold these get?
Yeah. No, there's a little hole in it. You just wasted it all.
Hey, you guys want another lighter?
Yeah. It's so hot you can't even see the fire.
How'd you break this off?
What off? You just push this, pop the spring
I
off.
already did it. Is there still fire in there? Jay. Oh yeah, there is.
Dude, you guys threw like so many lighters in there that went flying off.
You just totally wasted that. I know.
Now let's turn it on.
We need to find more lighters. This one right here. No, it's not good.
Oh, blew out the bottom.
Thick? That isn't good? Seriously, no more lighters left?
No, dude, a whole bunch of them went flying.
Dude, look at it. There's chunks of them all over here.
I know, but none of them have fluid in it. Those are the ones you burned.
Yeah.
Look at this shape. Do that too after you're done?
Hope it doesn't slip.
Yeah, don't throw it this way, please.
Or hit the camper.
Yeah. Or my dad's truck over there.
Or me. Glad I wasn't over there where I...
A rock right there.
Yeah, slam it.
Slam it with the cord or just...
Yeah,
with
just take the cord and go boom.
Like,
Really?
yeah.
I don't know if I can do that.
I can do it. Oh, it got me in the face.
Hey, hold on.